Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Solana from XMO to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your SOL safely and efficiently. By the end, you'll have your Solana transferred and ready to use on Uphold. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Uphold. You'll need some Solana in your XMO wallet and the exact Uphold wallet address handy. Double-check that Uphold supports Solana withdrawals, which it does in 2025, but always verify on their site for any updates. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your Solana wallet. Here, you'll see your SOL balance. Click on the Withdraw button next to Solana. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input your Uphold wallet address. Make sure it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Also, choose the Solana network. It's usually SOL by default, but confirm to avoid any issues. Decide on the amount you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. In 2025, fees might be around 0.0005 SOL, so factor that in. Step 3. Review and confirm. XMO will show you a summary of your withdrawal. Take a moment to double-check everything. If it looks good, enter any required two-factor authentication code and hit confirm. Your transaction will then be processed and sent to the blockchain. Once the withdrawal is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to appear in your Uphold account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Solana's official one. A quick tip. Always use secure connections and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. If you run into any hiccups, XMO and Uphold have support teams ready to help. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Solana from XMO to Uphold in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.